Hey guys, this is Stephen Hamby with Pro PDR of Georgia and Dent Hogs Paintless Dent Repair. Look, when we started doing motorcycle tank repairs some 10-15 years ago, we never dreamed we would be doing anything outside of our local Atlanta area. We really never thought we'd get anything outside of Georgia. But here we are 10 to 15 years later, and we actually get the majority of our jobs shipped in from out of state. So much so that we've been keeping track, and there's only a handful of states left that we have not hit, and we've even done some internationally, which blew us away. But we recently got to check off one of those states. We're proud to announce that we did one from Fairbanks, Alaska. We had a customer ship in 2 half tanks that were teal and cream in color, beautiful tanks. So we're gonna show you that repair, show you the damage, how we repaired it with Paintless Dent Repair. Customer was blown away, and we really hope you enjoy the video. And if you are in need of dent repair on your motorcycle tank or fender, and particularly if you live in Vermont, Maine, New Hampshire, or Utah, then we really want to hear from you guys because we have not hit your state yet. So please, if you are in need of these services, reach out to us. You can get an online free quote at motorcycledents.com. And if you don't need the services, well, we hope you enjoy this video anyway. So thanks for watching.